fun, energetic, in vogue and a genuine joy to ride holds up my ride audit of BMW's Maxi bike show the C650GT. In spite of the fact that BMW Motrend say this GT display, versus the C600 Sport is pointed at the developed rider, I want to state it's more for the multi-rider. A rider who appreciates city, driving a longer separation visiting in light of the fact that the BMW Maxi scooter C650GT has some extraordinary highlights for multitasking. Since our accomplices Kimco presented their Maxi bike Designing 500 or 500cc a couple of years back, and who now have 3 Maxi bike to their line, I've been advancing the enjoyment of wind and go bike riding to the 2 ladies riders and men. Because of Kimco I invest a ton of energy in a bike. What's more, now with BMW adding bikes to their item blend demonstrating the expanding notoriety of bikes particularly in North America. Coincidentally, both BMW bike models are controlled by a 647cc parallel twin motor fabricated by BMW specialists in Germany and inherent Taiwan by Kimco. The organization known for bikes and ATVs, supplied the CVT, constantly factor transmission. Read more on CVT, which is the bike's center power. Both BMW bike models are very comparative, other than a couple of configuration points of interest. The C650GT is longer, more extensive and minimally heavier at 261 kilograms, street prepared, completely fueled. There's likewise a lavish seat with backrest offering incredible help. Travelers on the C650GT likewise appreciate the profound and wide cushioning of the seat.